Want to skyrocket your earnings in 2024? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 high-paying tech skills you need to master in order to cash in big. And trust me, you won't want to miss the bonus tip at the end to accelerate your learning curve. Ready to transform your career? Let's dive in. First up, we have Generative AI. This cutting-edge technology involves creating new content from text to images using AI models. Companies are investing heavily in this field, making it a goldmine for skilled professionals. As of July 2024, the average annual salary in the United States for generative AI engineers is $115,864 per year. Next up is System on a Chip, or SoC. With the rise of Internet of Things devices and advanced electronics, SoC engineers are in high demand. This skill can open doors to roles in major tech companies and offer impressive salaries, coming in at an average of $104,433 per year. Number 3 on the list is deep learning. This subset of AI focuses on neural networks and has applications in everything from voice recognition to autonomous vehicles. Mastering deep learning can lead to high-paying positions in AI research and development. Deep learning engineers are currently bringing in an average salary of $115,864, with top earners making as much as $179,000 per year. Number 4 is cloud computing. This continues to dominate the tech landscape. With businesses migrating to the cloud, expertise in services like AWS and Google Cloud can command top-tier salaries. Cloud architects and engineers are particularly sought after, commanding an average salary of $130,000 and up. Last but not least is cybersecurity. With cyber threats on the rise, protecting sensitive data is more crucial than ever. Cybersecurity experts are essential, and their skills are highly valued, leading to lucrative job offers, earning an average of $124,740 per year. And now for the bonus tip. Many tech companies are moving away from requiring 4-year degrees, instead focusing on candidate skills and practical experience. These skills can be quickly acquired through online courses and boot camps like Coursera, Udacity, and Pluralsight. So there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on increasing your income. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.